This is Professor Tommy Demos, and today I will be demonstrating silhouettes. I'm going to open up a project that already exists. File, Open Project, go to your hard drive, MDC, DIG, DIG, HTCAE, exercise files, chapter 6, silhouettes. Dialog box is warning us we're opening up an old project file. It's going to convert it in order to use it. This is the start comp. Notice that there's a final one too. That's what we're shooting for, is a silhouetted child. So how do you do that? Not too bad. Notice that this child was shot in front of a white screen. So we need to do what's called the Luma key, which will remove the white and leave the child behind. So we're going to go search for Luma key. And I want you to notice that Luma key is becoming obsolete. It's been classified as an effect that will be deleted. And that's because it has been replaced with something called extract. So if you ever come to find that Luma key no longer exists, the correct effect is extract. So chroma means color in Greek. Luma means brightness in Greek. So instead of getting rid of the background based on a color, we're going to get rid of the background based on how bright it is. Because if you try to get rid of the background based on a chroma key, guess what? He's white too. So he will get holes in his body if you try to key out the white. That's why we use green screen and blue screen, because the skin tone has very little green and blue in it. It's mostly red. So I'll just do the Luma key, but you could also try it with extract. So I add Luma key, nothing happens. I need to change some parameters, such as key out brighter. Uh-oh. We need to change our threshold in order to get the kid back. So threshold, I'll change to 242 is the magic number here. Not bad. He's got a little white outline around it, but so what? Because we're going to turn him all black anyway. We're going to turn him into a full silhouette. We can clean up that matte by getting an effect called Refine Matte. Let's try Refine Hard Matte first. So I go get Refine Hard Matte. And actually, if you take a look at what it did, look at the difference. So there's white around the kid. It's already good. Let's see how soft does. Refine Soft Matte, drag that on the kid. Actually, that might even be better. It's a little softer around the edges. I like it. I like it. Okay. Now we need to turn the kid into a silhouette. We go search for fill, and we grab the fill effect and throw it on top of the kid. And instead of red, we choose black. Ta-da! That's how you make a silhouette like in an Apple commercial. Let's play it. He's got a little bit of stuff going on in his clothes, but it's pretty good. All right, so you're happy with it. File, save as. This one's number 6. Your hard drive, MDC, DIG, in-class exercise. Pick one of those. This is number E6. So easy, right? SILHOUETTES. I can never remember how to spell silhouettes, so I wrote it down. Save, export, file, export, add to render queue, change lossless, format options, animation to Apple ProRes 422 proxy. Hit OK. Are you seeing a pattern here? It's the same thing over and over. Choose the project file to populate the name, save, render.